You got some sauce on your face.
It's not bad.
Where's the time on one phone? We're heading over to Beauty and the Beast right now to use our Disney Premier Access ticket. The wait right now is a hour and 30 minutes, give or take, and it's like 10:30. We're gonna go do that, then we're gonna go get some food at Gaston's Tavern.
Yo, cool. So, so, 大事なお客さん、首になく金をかけてどいく。スーパージェラード、この文字の展開、一度たらたらと聞こえ、何かが芽生えている。
That ride, wow, that ride was amazing. Loved it. Animatronics, beautiful. Teacup experience was great. Wow, that was fantastic. Thoroughly enjoyed that experience. Wow, the part where a beast transforms back into a human, I guess it's like hologram or something. Whatever they're doing with the lights. Oh wow, so cool. Oh, so cute! Oh, this headband is so cute too! Oh, Daisy! I've always wanted Gaston to hold my glasses up for me. She's ponchoed up. Hey, oh my god, I'm getting wet. Why did I buy a poncho? It was Honey Hunt! So cute. We're heading to the Crystal Palace buffet now to see if we can get a reservation. I don't know if they do like you have to wait in line or you can possibly just get a ticket or something. We're gonna go find out right now. Okay, so reporting back. You have to wait in line, which I guess makes sense. So it's 90 to like 120-minute wait, which we have the time for, but we're not really hungry right now. So we're gonna go to Adventureland. We're gonna go do the last gacha.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a last gacha spot over here, and then see what else they have. Mickey's cute. Underwear. Stylish and not getting wet. Behind the scenes. This is what we really came for. That's cute. We're gonna go line up on our first ride line. So sad. We're gonna go wait in line for Monsters Inc. It's an hour wait right now. But wow, this system is actually pretty neat. We got everything kind of scheduled in, and then there's just little gaps where you can just wait in line and go do whatever you want outside of it. So I'm digging it. Only thing is you have to come early and kind of like know what rides and everything you want to deal with, like ASAP.
Pay.
Oh yeah, sorry. This you have to pay for it too. For some of the DPA, but the rest of them you're just gonna be in the park for. But you gotta be fast. Oh, it opens! Doesn't look good. It's 4:30, and we have not even touched the second half of the park thus far.
Circling this area.
When you go through the ride over the course of the day, you really see how much of a time capsule Disney is, or the Disney amusement parks are. Like, we just went on Pinocchio, and wow, that is so dated. It is such a dated ride. Yeah, and then you have stuff like Beauty and the Beast, which is just like an amazing work of art. Woo! We finally see the castle up close. I don't think either of us was expecting that ending for that ride. We're like, oh, it's getting worse. It's getting worse and worse and worse. And then it ends worse. We're on our last ride in Fantasyland for Peter Pan. We're off to Neverland. We have officially knocked down 7 rides, and we have 1 left for our priority pass. Our priority pass for Space Mountain is like at 8:30 to 8:55 or 8:50 or something like that. So the fireworks is at 8:30, so we're gonna watch the fireworks for 5 minutes and then head over to Tomorrowland and oh god, ride our final ride and probably call it a night. Mark Wazowski. Okay. Sad days, sad days. Fireworks got canceled because it's too windy. Oh well. So we're just gonna go buy our last minute gifts for our Space Mountain pass. And then we're gonna call it a night. How fun was today?
It was really fun. I think we maximize our time like coming here super early.
Oh yeah, crazy because there were people here like even like way earlier than us. Man, they must have had like instant access to every single attraction. Yeah, we don't have that. We don't have the stamina for that. Magic is almost over. No. That's right. I mean, we're still on vacation though, but but you know, we're not in Disney, so a little sad. That's right. Space Mountain. Kick it off with the, end it with the bang. Space Mountain. Space Mountain! Zoom, 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 zoom! Woo! Thanks for tuning to the vlog if you stayed till the end. We're gonna head back home now. Cheers.